In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents easily using Canva. Whether you're crafting a report, a presentation, or a detailed ebook, a clear and visually appealing table of contents can guide your audience smoothly through your content. Let's dive right into the process of creating one using Canva, a tool known for its user-friendly design features and accessible templates. First, you'll want to start by accessing Canva. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is quite straightforward and free. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the search bar at the top. Here, simply type in table of contents and hit enter. This will pull up a variety of templates specifically designed for tables of contents. Canva's range of pre-made templates is perfect for those who want to make something professional looking without having to design from scratch. Take some time to browse through the selection of available templates. You'll notice that there are different styles ranging from classic and simple to modern and bold. Carefully consider the overall design and theme of your project when selecting a template. Once you find a design that aligns with your needs and aesthetic preferences, you'll want to select it by clicking on it. After your selection, look for the option labeled Customize this template. Click on this and Canva will load the template into its editor, where you can begin tailoring it to fit your specific project needs. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to maintain the core design with little fuss but still offers flexibility to inject your personal touch. Now that you're in the editing phase, you can begin tweaking the text. Double-click on any text box in the template to start editing. Replace the placeholder text with your actual content topics. Ensure that the titles and page numbers are accurate and clearly labeled to make navigation easy for your readers. It's worth noting that Canva's text editing tools are intuitive, allowing you to adjust font style, size, and color easily. This way you can ensure that your table of contents is not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing and consistent with the rest of your document. Remember to regularly save your progress by clicking on the Save button or ensuring that the auto-save feature is turned on if you're working online. This prevents any unexpected data loss and allows you to make changes seamlessly over time. Once you've completed all your edits and are satisfied with the look and content, it's time to download your work. Click on the download button at the top right corner of the screen. Canva provides different formats for download such as PDF, PNG, or JPEG. Choose the format that best suits the medium of your final project. And there you have it, a complete polished table of contents ready to guide your audience through your brilliant work. By leveraging Canva's powerful yet simple tools, you can now create efficient and eye-catching tables of contents without any hassle. Thank you for joining me, and happy designing.